Top 10 fastest train in the world. Before we start a video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates, and you can also give suggestion at comment section. The number 10 is ETR 500 Raza train. Its top speed is 186.6 miles per hour. ETR 500 Raza is the fastest train service in Italy, operated by Trenitalia company. The Raza trains have a maximum speed of 186.6 miles per hour. This service runs between Milan, Rome, Naples route and offers 72 connections daily. The number 9 is SNCF TGV Duplex. Its top speed is 198.8 miles per hour. TGV Duplex is the fastest train service in France. This powerful train can touch a maximum speed of 198.8 miles per hour. The SNCF Railway Company operates this high-speed train service. TGV Duplex started the service in December 2011. The number 8 is Polston Euro Duplex. Its top speed is 199 miles per hour. Euro Duplex trains are the third series of TGV Duplex high-speed trains. The Euro Duplex train service is operated by the French railway company SNCF. This service connects French, Swiss, German and Luxembourg rail network. This multi-system, double-deck trains can travel at a maximum speed of 199 miles per hour. The number 7 is E5 series Shinkansen Hayabusa. Its top speed is 200.2 miles per hour. E5 series Shinkansen Hayabusa is one of the fastest high-speed train service in Japan today. This train service started on 5 March 2011 and operated by the East Japan Railway Company. The E5 series train is operated between Tokyo and Domari. The number 6 is Talgo 350. Its top speed is 217.4 miles per hour. Spain's Talgo 350 high-speed train operated by the state-run railway company. This high-speed train can achieve a maximum speed of 217.4 miles per hour. The Talgo 350 runs between Madrid and Barcelona. This train has 2 driving cars and 12 passenger cars. The number 5 is Siemens Velaro EAVS 103. Its top speed is 218 miles per hour. Velaro E is the Spanish version of Velaro E high-speed trains developed by German engineering company Siemens. In Spain, Velaro trains are named as AVS 103. The Velaro E operates between Barcelona and Madrid. During trials, Velaro E achieved a top speed of 250.84 miles per hour. The number 4 is AGV Italo. Its top speed is 223.6 miles per hour. AGV Italo is the fastest running train in Europe. French manufacturing company Polston builds this multiple-unit train. This high-speed train has a maximum operational speed of 223.6 miles per hour. But during initial test, in 2007, AGV train set a record speed of 356.6 miles per hour. The number 3 is Harmony CRH 380A. Its top speed is 236.1 miles per hour. China Railways Harmony CRH 380A is the second fastest operating train service in the world. In commercial service, this electric, multiple-unit trains can achieve a maximum speed of 236.1 miles per hour. But it sets a record speed of 258.58 miles per hour. during initial tests. The number 2 is Shanghai Maglev. Its top speed is 267.8 miles per hour. Shanghai Maglev is the fastest train running in the world with a maximum operating speed of 267.8 miles per hour. This service is operated by Shanghai Maglev Transportation Development Company. Shanghai Maglev runs at Shanghai's high-speed magnetic levitation line. The number 1 is Japan Maglev or SC Maglev. Its top speed is 375 miles per hour. On April 21, 2015, a manned 7-car L0 series SC Maglev train reached a speed of 375 miles per hour. Japan Maglev currently is the fastest train in the world. But currently it is on a trail. It is operated on magnetic levitation. This railway system developed by Central Japan Railway Company and the Company Railway Technical Research Institute. Yeah.